Yo guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be hypnotizing you with a fidget spinner. So if you don't know what this is closer to the bit of the fidget spinner where I'm going to be hypnotizing you with. So look closely at like the middle bit, like right there, and just follow it. Anyways, see if this works. You getting hypnotized? You feeling weird? Well, it's getting faster. Shit, it's like, I don't know if you can see it because it's too bright. I'm not sure. Wait. Can you see it? You getting hypnotized yet? You getting dizzy or anything? Make sure you're actually following it. Let's do the other way. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, so that's my little hypnotizing trick. If you did get hypnotized, make sure to like the video and also subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Peace.